classic split window. It's a 1953, according to the paperwork. This is what preceded my oval. Doesn't have a split dashboard, however. I wonder if this is a conversion. 53, I don't think split windows existed in 53. I'm probably mistaken, but either way, it's pretty. Well, it's a split window and it's a 53, and I believe in 53 was the first year of the oval. And in fact, it has an oval dashboard in it. So I believe this is one of those hybrid ones during the 53. Incredibly rare. I forget what they call them, a Zwitter or something, which directly translated means like transgendered. That's not a joke. That's actually what it means, if I'm not mistaken. But it's a little bit of the new, a little bit of the old, and it's funny calling an oval a new Beetle, but yeah.